Hi, good morning, Louis Porcelino, and today is December 18th, and this is the E-mini morning call. I'm getting this stuff out earlier. Um, got a lot to talk about. Want to get it done. So, not a surprise to me, 2036. I didn't do an update yesterday. Got busy at the end of the day. But um, what bothered me yesterday was that we had three tops that we couldn't take out, right? So we had 2012 and a quarter. If we take a look at here, we had these three tops. We had 2012 and a quarter. We had a 2011 and a quarter, and then yesterday we stopped at 2011. Um, I had gotten long around 1998, and I took them into the close, and I figured we'd get the run up, but we didn't. So uh, last night we ended up making a high of 2036. The thing that really stopped me yesterday from coming out and saying this is it, it's the bottom, um, was the fact that we had this action. So remember the day before I told you that the bottom could possibly be in, and you can go back and check it on the videos. I did tell you that, and I was predicating this on the fact that we had a mode here at 1982 day mode. We finally got a higher day mode close 1983. Yesterday, the mode stayed down here at 1980, which was deceiving to me because it looked like me that there was enough volume to move it, and it didn't move it. So that bothered me. And so I was a little apprehensive. Um, I think we're going to get some two-way trade, but you'll see it when I do the chart. So we've got single prints up here, okay, from 2037. So we just stopped short of them today to 2040. All right. We've got these single prints up here from 2049 half to 2054. All right. And we got this ugly high up here at 2060. I'm giving you that because based on where we open up, our average range has been about 1,200 points from the opening. So if you say we open here at 2030, I mean, possibility to get to 2042, 2045. And about the same on the bottom from the opening down to the low. So that bothered me, and so I wasn't. I went home long and got out yesterday. Overnight because I put my sell in at 2015, thinking if we took the stops out of the quarter. But you know what? And this is why you have to look at different things because when I look at this is another profile that clearly showed from a day basis when you look at Thinkorswim's profile that we had a higher value high, a higher mode, and a higher value low. So this was clearly a turnaround, right, from the previous day. These two are interconnected, even though they were lower, lower, lower. Um, this this is an important thing because you look at different ones, and I looked at this yesterday, and I thought, well, you know what, we've been dependent on the inside edge software and so on, and so that's telling me today we're going to get a two-sided trade. I think we're still going to, head upwards. All right. So what I've done today, this morning on these charts, is I've kind of marked. We got single prints going from 2037 up to 2040. All right. And then we've got 2049 half up to 2054. Okay. All right. This morning we will use. So we got single prints here from 2014 down to 2011. You got 2023 to 2022 and a quarter. So if we get any sort of retracement, R1 we're through. We stopped at R2 up here at the high. Okay. And we got 2008 and a quarter is the bull bear zone today. And then we're going to do 2004. And then all these are little points. All right, and then we've got this mode down here in 1980. Bottom of value in 1977 half. So that's what it. That's what it. The tail of the tape. And look, everybody thinks the world's ending. It's Christmas time. I'm telling you, the next 5 days, I think we're going to be back up. I don't know. Uh, I think we're going to rally. All right. Now I'm going to give you the SPX. All right. So right here, this breakout, if you see this, would be a breakout. So we've done that overnight because this high here is 2019 and a quarter in the cash. Okay, in the cash. So if you just take the futures high of 2036, we're at about a 6 points discount. So take 2036, add 5 points or add 6 points to it, and put it up here about 241. 241 right there would be because we're at a discount, right? So you got to add 6 points to the, or add 6 points to our 236i. 241, 242 would be an estimated cash above all these little highs here. Okay. Ultimately, we got to get above it right there, right? In the cash, 259 and a quarter. Looks like. Let's look at this high right here. In the cash, 258.86, 258.86. So let's just say we open at it's at 230. That would put us at 236. All right, all right. Add 6 points to it, about 5.75. So that'd put us in this area above this right here. See this though? I'm taking if we break out, we get above that. If we open above that, we're gonna get that's like the last. That's where the break started from. Okay, so I think on the opening we've got a breakout, but we're going to get a two-sided trade. This indicator is another proprietary indicator that was developed by Pat. If you take a look at it, it never it goes gray, green, goes gray. Usually when it gets down below here, you can see a divergence here, right? They put this low in, but this wasn't a lower low. So you got a divergence there. It went gray. Usually when it's below these two green lines now, it's starting to head up. So we'll be looking for this to cross the center line, and that will tell it we're good to go, and that will give us a bullish bias on a daily basis. So that's on the VIX. All right, I'm going to get the oil video out, and good luck, good trading. I'm bullish, but I think because of some of the mode distribution, we're going to have a two-sided trade. Um, let me put this up so you know where we're at this morning. All right, now I'm going to go back to, sorry. I put the 30-minute chart up because I wanted to be able to show where value was. But if we go on the 5-minute, all right, let's go on a 5-minute. You can see that the pivot's going to be sitting here at 225, basically 226. 5-minute close under there, and we'll get, bring some sellers back in the market. I think we're probably going to have to do some retracing today. Like I said, the bull bear zone 2008. I don't rule out anything based on the current volatility. So I'll give you some updates when as the market opens up. Remember, we got Yellen. The minutes are released today, and there's other news items. All right, talk to you later. Bye.